So today I'm going to show you how to make paper daisies using the template files from Especially Paper. You can download the SVG and DXF files for Cricut Explore or Silhouette at especiallypaper.com. After you've cut your files, this is where the video picks up. So this is an optional step, but it does add a nice touch. So score vein lines into the petals, and you'll need 3 pieces of the petals. In this example, I'm using a dental tool, but anything with a sharp pointed end would work. So the tip of a skewer, a sharpened dowel, a bone folder if you have one. So I'm just running the tool from the base of the petal to the tip. Once you finish scoring the petals, it's time to add some curve. So use your bone folder and run it over each of the petals, curling it outwards. Once you've done that, fold the petals up at the base. Just follow all the way around and fold all the petals up. And you'll repeat the same process for all 3 of the petal pieces. Now glue the petals together, so just add some glue to the center and then nest them inside of one another. And when you place the petals, make sure that you position it so that the petals alternate. The next step is creating the center. So you'll need strips of fringe, and for these flowers I used 4 to 6. So just the larger you want the center to be, use more strips. So just starting at one end, roll the fringe strip and add glue every once in a while. You don't need to glue the entire strip, but just add it every once in a while to hold everything together. Now that the fringe for the center has been rolled, it's time to shape it. So just run your fingers from the center to the outer edge to spread the fringe. Just keep on going all the way around the outer edge. You can place it down on the table, pull out. So just do a variety of things to shape that until you're happy with the shape of it. So use your thumbs to kind of push up in the middle just slightly from the bottom, and that's going to give it a little bit more of a dome shape. Then add some glue to the bottom and just apply a thin layer over the entire bottom and let it dry. That's going to keep it together. It's going to keep that paper from telescoping out at some point in the future. So I have one that's already dry. So once yours is dry, just go ahead and place it in the center of your nested petals. And that's it, your flower is done. Super easy. Now just a couple of steps for the leaves. I've got this going pretty fast here because you don't need to see it super slow to see what's going on. So I've scored some veins into the leaf using the same technique as I did for the flower petals. Then use your bone folder to curl the edges of the leaves. So fold in, fold out. That's going to give you a more organic feel for the leaf. Here's a quick shot of the finished flower. And as a reminder, you can get these templates at especiallypaper.com. They're both SVG and DXF files that work with Cricut Explore and Silhouette Studio.